teachers that already have schedules set up in Forethought will have lessons in Forethought will need to create schedules for this year, or will need to create schedules every year because they will have new courses or new courses or actually new schedules every year. So we're going to go ahead and click on Forethought, okay, and it will bring up previous years here. So you want to go into change my settings, click on my schedules. Now you don't necessarily need to remove the schedule, okay. Here is the schedule from a previous year. You're going to add in this schedule right here. So I'm going to put in year 2015-2016 and click next. Okay, and now I'm going to start adding in the courses, and these are add an entry. Okay, and I'm going to add in courses with learning standards. Click next. And since this teacher is from the high school, I'm going to click high school. And I'm going to click on world or social studies, and these are core classes. So I'm looking for world history. Let's see if I add this one in here. Alright, so I'm going to this is the schedule for this teacher, so I'm going to click all of these. World geography, world history. Click next. I'm going to add another entry. Of course, it's course with a learning standard. Next. Same thing, core class. See if they have a course that's year long. Click next. Alright, same thing. Click all these. It may be repetitive, but I'm going to go ahead and click next. Alright. Add an entry. Waiting. Go in here. World geography. Click next. Alright, I've added all of these, so I'm going to go ahead and just click next. All of those courses are already in there. Next. Forethought already has all the information I need, so I'm going to begin to use Forethought. Okay, this is the schedule for this year. Alright, so it says U.S. Dual History, U.S. Government Dual History. These are not the courses I added, and see how it's in bold? Alright, so I want to remove this schedule because that's not the course. That's not the schedule I set up for this year, so I'm going to delete today's plans. So I delete that, click OK. Okay, the one I want to use is year 2015-2016. Click begin planning. There is the schedule I set up for this year. Alright, these are all in bold as well. I'm going to go ahead and click here, begin planning, today's planning. I can delete that, okay. This year's, okay. Begin planning. Same thing, any year that is in bold, I want to delete those. Any day that's in bold, I'm going to delete those, not year, sorry. And I select the year I want to use. Okay. Alright, so there it is. There's my planner for this year that I'm going to be using. Okay. Now, if there's a planner in here that I want to use, say I want to bring in the planner or a planner from a previous year, I can go backwards in time to 2014, the year 2014, and I click here. This is world history for last year, so I want to bring in the plans from this year, from this previous year. Okay, I can go up here, click, and view week's plans right there, and I can click on this copy wizard. Okay, and it'll send me to the wizard. All right here, and copy contents into my planner. Okay, copy instructional plans from year to year, or shift plans a day. Okay, I don't suggest you copy plans from year to year. I would pick either for a day, or copy contents in my planner and then suggest maybe weeks at a time or days at a time, but not the entire year. You're going to run into problems. Um, Maybe not all the time, but you may. I'm sorry. You might run into some just program glitches when you're copying that over. Okay, so that is how you're going to create a new schedule for year to year, and how you will copy from year to year. Okay, hope that helps.